Option 1, emotional and captivating. Headline: When luxury meets romance in your living room sparkles. Let the magic of colors take you on a journey of elegance and tranquility. We present a carefully curated collection of the most sophisticated living rooms in purple, and its enchanting shades, from deep royal purple to calming lavender and romantic lilac. In this collection, you'll discover how this distinctive color can become the star of your home. Regal spaces with a classic, luxurious touch. Contemporary areas blending purple with gray and white for a chic look. Tranquil corners in soft pastel purples that inspire relaxation and serenity. Whether you love bold statements or prefer subtle touches, you'll find the inspiration you're looking for here. Scroll through the magic below and tell us, which shade of purple would you choose for your dream living room? Option 2, analytical and decor focused. Headline: The Violet Symphony. Irresistible styling ideas for purple living rooms. Purple isn't just a color, it's a sophisticated mood. In this album, we showcase an exceptional collection of living room designs that celebrate this royal hue in all its shades. What makes this collection special? 1. Mesmerizing gradients, from deep plum tones that add drama and depth to walls, to soft lavender shades that fill the space with freshness and light. 2. Perfect harmony, witness how purple blends seamlessly with various textures. With luxurious velvet, white marble, warm wood, and touches of gold and silver that enhance its radiance. 3. Statement pieces, a focus on key furniture pieces like stunning sofas and elegant curtains that make purple the true hero of the room. Let these ideas inspire you to add a touch of purple elegance to your home. Don't forget to share your thoughts, which design caught your eye? Option 3, short and perfect for Instagram. Headline: Purple. Elegant and regal. Today's collection is for lovers of distinction and sophistication. A tour through living rooms that sit on the throne of elegance with the most beautiful shades of purple. From enchanting to dramatic, pick your favorite shade, and add a touch of luxury to your home. Which photo did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comments. Option 4, luxury-focused description. Headline: Beyond Lavender. The art of purple in luxury living room design. Step into a world where color commands attention. Purple, the shade of royalty, creativity, and mystery, takes center stage in this stunning collection of living room interiors. From the depth of eggplant to the softness of wisteria, each space tells a unique story. Velvet sofas in deep violet invite you to sink into pure comfort. Accent walls in moody mauve create dramatic focal points. Subtle lilac accents bring lightness and airiness to modern spaces. Paired with cool grays, warm metallics, and natural textures, these purple living rooms redefine what it means to live in color. Explore the gallery and find your perfect shade of elegance.